Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline product on this Toyota Prius. The customer had his cat stolen and he just wanted to put a bit of protection on it. So we've used this system here, this Starline, which basically integrates with existing remote control. When he leaves the vehicle, he locks it. You get one bleep, one flash, system will come on. When he comes back to the vehicle, hits that button there, system disarms. You can also use the Starline remote control. So one bleep, one flash, obviously arms and locks, and this time it lifts up the windows and unlocks. This also can be activated by the door handle, which I'll show you now. On this particular system, it's actually got this Bluetooth tag, which is an authorization tag. So what happens if someone was to clone the key and remotely disarm it, my system will still be on and it will start to count down and trigger. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to arm it and I'll go through some sensors. So first of all, I'm actually going to unlock it with the key without disarming my alarm or his alarm. I'm going to take the Bluetooth tag out of here, the battery, and you're going to hear it trigger. So I've now taken the battery out and I'm actually going to unlock it with the key. There you go. His system is disarm, my system is disarm, but it's actually counting down. In a second you'll hit count down and it's actually going to trigger. So we'll just wait for it to count down and trigger. There you go. My system's counting down because it doesn't see this tag. If I now put the battery back in, it will disarm. If it doesn't, it's going to carry on going off. There you go, I've now disarmed my system and the Toyota. Now I'm just going to show you, sorry about that, I'm just putting the battery back into the tag. So now I'm going to arm it. I'm going to apply force to the vehicle so you can see it trigger on impact. I'm just going to wait for it to set. I'm now going to trigger the shock sensor. That's if someone applies a force. Now I'm going to show you the most important part, which is the tilt sensor. So I'm going to arm it again, I'm going to wait for it to set and I'm going to start jacking it up. Right, I'm going to start jacking it up now. There you go, tilt sensor's been activated, let's just disarm it. That's the most important part of it. As you see, this product's got door protection, tilt, motion, shock, and it's got a Bluetooth ID tag. Now I'm actually going to pause you for a little while and I'm actually going to download the app. I'm going to show it working on the app. Hello, sorry about that, but I don't actually have my spare phone with me to show you the app, but you can look on our other videos on how the app works in terms of Bluetooth. But just quickly, just to finish it off now, I'm going to arm it with the original remote control, and you actually see the LED. So here we've positioned the LED as a visual deterrent, so when people are looking in, they now know there's something different to the standard system. So we're going to arm it now so you can see it. See, it's now flashing away as a visual deterrent. We're getting a bleep because obviously it's saying the key's detected within the vehicle's proximity, but gives you an idea of the luminous intensity of the LED. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.